No, I did not make that. But I gotta paint it. Probably start with the bottom first. Tom Morello gave me the there's the primer for it, and then he gave me the paint. He's wants it gray, so it's gonna be gray. But before I do that, I'm gonna get the Dremel. I'm gonna Dremel this down and make it look nice. That's what I'll do. Oh, there's the weed right there. Oh no, someone stole the lawnmower. Oh great, what am I gonna do now? Alright. Uh-oh. Well, I can always come back to the leaf blower. Yeah, maybe I'll just come back to the leaf blower. I don't need it right now. Right now. Margie TV! Oy. So, Action Gal, what's going on? You know, today did not start out good for my mom today. Let me tell you what happened. So, just a brief. Yeah, I told you yesterday I was going back over here. See, there's a lawnmower. I was only messing with you. Oh, but I got something cool to show between my loves. Well, I know you've seen it before, but that's for you. But anyway, I was gonna say is that mom had to go to, since my dad's been in the hospital, we had been taking care of his bills, and had to get money out and get things taken care of. So apparently, mom had to go to the bank. Said that she had to go to the post office to take care of stuff, and so she went in. When she came out of the bank, apparently she was so mad because they would not take the money and she couldn't deposit the money into his account. Apparently you can only do that one time. So Grace doesn't really look that high. So mom came out all mad and flustered and wasn't paying attention to what she was doing. And apparently the money she had disappeared. Because I was in the passenger seat, I should say. I was in the passenger seat. So, I don't know where the money went. It just got up and walked away. You took it, I know. Oh yeah, I wanted to show this to Margie TV. Because I know you love red. And I'm always looking to show you anything that's red. So that's for Margie TV. Okay, here's a different shade. What do you think of that one? So, oh, and Tweety My Loves love it too, so you can have that one. And love lines, you can have that one. I usually take some kind of like string and tie it up, but I don't have any string on me right now. But, might as well put this up. Samariusa, please be happy. We all care about you. I care about you. So I gotta do another mowing. Near channel. I get them. I get you and one other one mixed up. All right. Well, I gotta get this going. I gotta get back. I'm gonna work on that birdhouse thing. They got a party going on tomorrow, so I gotta make this CR look pretty. Now, hopefully this darn camera doesn't shift on me. Now, These branches have been getting on my nerves, so I'm going to cut some of these back because I don't like when I walk through here and I'm mowing that all these things come down knocking me in the head. They don't care. They say if it's in your way, cut it. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm using my left hand action, gal. I'm right-handed, so I gotta use my right hand for this. Guess I really don't have to get these too much. They're not in my way. You see any grass growing down there? I don't think so. Oh. So he got his light on. I think they still got their light on. These are in the way. I'll just cut these back. Because I gotta be able to get in here. Julie. I saw Julie. Julie. Actually, I know a couple of Julies. And a Juliet. I love Juliet. Juliet's awesome. But everybody knows. Everybody knows who I love. I know this is not part of the deal, but this stuff needs to go up. And it's just too much. My old friend who used to live here, we used to always cut these things back because it gets too close to the house. So what I'm doing is I'm just trimming these back, so then that way this thing can go up and it's not hanging down in your face. Now you don't want to cut too much off, just cut it off so the darn thing goes up. Because once you cut the ends here, it'll go up. That's good enough. Maybe a little bit this one. Better me cut them than them. Because what happens is if they cut it, they'll just leave it there. See? And then they get a missing tool and it gets hidden. So make sure you check your yard, and you never know, you might find something that got hidden. It's like, do you ever do some yard work and you had your tool and you're like, where'd my tool go? And next thing you know, your tool is gone. It's because you forgot to pick it up. That's why. Now what I could do, I could just drop these off on the side and come back for them afterwards. I think that's what I might just do. I don't know. What do you think? Oh, I forgot a branch. Ooh, Mama Mars. Mimi, mommy. Oh yeah, I said I was gonna drop this off. Well, what should I do? You think? No, I don't want to put it out in the street. I'll just walk it home. Yeah. Why won't you pause? I think I'm gonna grab my charger, so that I'll put my charger up in the porch That way I don't have to keep coming back for it. Just remind me that I put my charger in the porch. I just don't want to stay here too long. I don't want Mom getting mad at me and saying I'm taking too darn long. Must be building a fortress over there. Yeah, it must be. They really don't want anybody looking at their house. They're very, very secured what they do. Tweety my loves. Huh, this place going crazy. Oh, the camera shifted. Well, I don't need it right now, but I'll put it right here. Take it. No, it's allowed. You're allowed to take one. That's it. Oh. All right. Well, I got to get this lawnmower going. Usually I weed eat first, but I'm going to try something different. I'm going to mow first, and then I'll weed eat. So I'll see you in my next upload. And just stay awesome, everybody. Oh yeah, I set the lawnmower on 5, so it's a little lower. So hopefully I'll be able to see my lines as I'm cutting those grass. And that's it. So let's get this baby started, and I'll take you for a ride with me a little bit so you can have some fun. Okay? Cool. You ready? You ready? Are you ready? No, are you ready? Okay, are you ready? Let's go. Tippy-chee! Shout out to, I want to say Rosebud. Yeah, I'll say Rosebud this time. We get around the tree. All right, Margie, let's do this. Me and my loves, cut the grass with me. Let's go. I remember Margie, you said no. You're so funny. Do not try this at home. That's why I'm not home. Nah, you've done this so many times. See, this is where it gets to be annoying. See, I get branches. Let's get out to the road. It's gonna be a lot more to deal with. All right, careful. Oh. All right, I'm definitely gonna need 2 hands. So I will see you in my next upload. And I will stop right now. Thumbs up. Cut that grass. Don't pass gas.